10 amazing drinks that helps to repair nerve damage. Did you know nerve damage can be a weakening your health, which causing pain, numbness, and weakness? Well, there is no fixed cure for nerve damage, but there are certain things that you can do to help repair and protect your nerves. One way to do this is to drink healthy beverages that contain key nutrients that are essential for nerve health. In this video, we'll discuss 10 drinks that can help to repair and protect your nerves. These drinks contain key components that are essential for nerve health. To know complete details, be sure to watch this video until the end. So let's get started. Our first drink is very common, and that is water. As we know, water is essential for overall health, but it's also important for nerve health as well. It helps to transport nutrients and oxygen to the nerves and remove waste products. Dehydration can lead to nerve damage, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. So make sure to aim for 8 glasses of water per day. The next drink is the ever-soothing green tea. It contains antioxidants that can help to protect nerves from damage. Green tea also contains L-theanine, which is an amino acid that has calming effects on the nervous system. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can both contribute to nerve damage. Next up is ginger tea. Drinking ginger tea can help protect your nerves. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Gingerol can help to reduce inflammation and pain in the nerves. This can be beneficial for people with nerve pain conditions, such as neuropathy. Number 4. Turmeric Golden Milk. This is one of the best drinks for every health-conscious person. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that has anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Curcumin can help to protect nerves from damage and promote nerve regeneration. Turmeric milk is also a good source of calcium, which is important for nerve function. The fifth drink is coconut water. Coconut water is a good source of electrolytes, which are essential for nerve function. Electrolytes help to regulate nerve signals and maintain nerve health. Coconut water is also a good source of vitamins and minerals like magnesium and potassium that are beneficial for nerve health. Our next drink is celery juice. Celery juice is a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that can help to protect nerves from damage. Celery juice also contains apigenin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Apigenin can help to reduce inflammation and protect nerves from damage. Next, we have a delicious banana smoothie. This can be the best drink to support nerve health. Because bananas are a good source of potassium, which is an electrolyte that is essential for nerve function. Potassium helps to regulate nerve signals and maintain nerve health. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which is very important for nerve regeneration. The next drink is berry smoothies. Berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These antioxidants fight free radicals and may protect your precious nerve cells. Plus, the fiber helps to keep blood sugar levels in check and supports overall health. Our ninth drink is bone broth. It's rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals, all of which are beneficial for nerve health. The collagen found in bone broth supports your nerve structure. On the other hand, amino acids help neurotransmitter production. Bone broth contains minerals like magnesium and calcium, which play vital roles in nerve function. Our last healthy drink for nerve repair is walnut milk. Walnut milk is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s are like the bodyguards of your nerve cell membranes. It protects nerve cells and reduces inflammation. So these are the few well-known drinks that help repair and protect your nerves. Adding these 10 drinks to your daily routine to get benefits. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and enjoy green tea, ginger tea, turmeric milk, coconut water, celery juice, and banana smoothies regularly. Few additional tips for you. When you prepare smoothies, you can add other ingredients to your smoothies to increase their nutritional value. For that, you may consider spinach, kale, or chia seeds. If you have any underlying health conditions, be sure to talk to your doctor before making any major changes to your diet. Start drinking these amazing drinks today to repair and protect your nerves. At last, write your favorite drink in the comments section. I love to read your comment. If you found this information useful, then please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe and tap the bell icon for videos like this. And also check out our other useful videos here. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.